We're at the Navarre Beach Pier. What's hiding beneath the surface? Let's drop the GoPros and take a look. Remora or young Cobia? Tell us in the comments. This small ray laying on bottom looks like it's dead. The Remoras are having a feast on it. Is that a flounder in the sand, the lower left corner? Almost didn't see that ray. Thanks for exploring underneath the Navarre Beach Pier with us. We'd love to have you join us for our next Florida beach adventure.